PBBM, wala naman daw talagang kahit anong dinaramdam laban sa kanyang kapatid. Para sa agenda, idealist Leonardo Shadow.
Papasgahan na naman sa red carpet ang iba't ibang high-profile personalities for the so-called Super Bowl of Fashion. Ang highlights ng Met Gala this year sa Agenda Report ni Monique Tucson Basket.
It's called Fashion's Biggest Night for a reason. Under the theme Costume Art, serving looks and face cards na naman ang A-listers for this year's Met Gala. Among them, Queen Beyoncé herself, who returned to the event after a decade-long hiatus. Aside from her husband, Jay-Z, kasama rin nila for the first time sa Met Gala ang daughter na si Blue Ivy. Present ang iba pang music superstars tulad ni na Madonna, Cher, Stevie Nicks, and of course, si Met Gala fave Rihanna. I'm feeling sad, cute. Also spotted ang lahat ng Blackpink members na sina Lisa, Jennie, Jisoo, and Rosé. Trending din sina Connor Story, Blake Lively, Kim Kardashian, Anne Hathaway, Bad Bunny, and Heidi Klum with her statue-inspired look. More than just a fashion showcase, Met Gala is an annual fundraiser para sa Costume Institute ng Metropolitan Museum of Art. Bago pa magsimula, this year's event already raised $42 million, the biggest in a
Kasama lang kita
77-year
binili ito.
history.
Ngayon, kinakain
Para sa
natin.
agenda,
Sarap.
Monique Tucson Basi, Billionaire News Channel.
In other news, may bagong trailer ang highly anticipated The Odyssey, adaptation ni Christopher Nolan. The clip gives a glimpse of other key players, including Charlize Theron as Calypso and Robert Pattinson as the chief antagonist Anti-Move. Matt Damon leads the all-star cast, kasama sila Tom Holland, Anne Hathaway, Zendaya, Lupita Nyong'o, and many more. The Odyssey, which was entirely shot with IMAX cameras, has a reported budget of $250 million, making it Nolan's most expensive film. I-release ito sa theaters in July. Mga estudyante ng UP Diliman nag-walk out bilang protesta sa Toboso Encounter. At legal battle nila Blake Lively at Justin Baldoni tapos na. Susunod yan sa agenda. Dati-rati maraming pamilyang Pilipino ang kapos. May mga magulang na hindi alam kung saan kukuha ng makakain. Sa ayuda naman, matagal sila naghihintay bago makakuha. Kapag may kalamidad, ang relief goods, manong-manong inihahanda, kaya matagal dumating. Ang ating walang routine program. Kaya malinaw ang utos ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Ilapit ang tulong, pabilisin ang serbisyo, siguraduhin may nakakain ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Direktiba ng ating Pangulo, siguraduhin dapat unawan personal na sinuro ng Pangulo ang pagpapatupad nito. Sa walang gutong food stamp program, ang mga benepisyaryong tulad ni Lola Lumin ay tumatanggap ng 3,000 pisong food credits kada buwan sa electronic card. Pambili ng masustansyang pagkain sa DSWD partner stores. Hindi na bibiyahe, mas mabilis. Ang resulta, nakikita. Mga masusustansyang pagkain ang agad